Hi guys, unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is the box containing the phone. Written 256 GB there. You can see on the top right corner. Inside also it is written. There are two varieties 256 GB and 512 GB internal memory. Actually, I wanted 512 GB, but it is not available now it seems. So I could not get. This is Aura black color. I always wanted black color only. Cost is written here 85,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Actually, I got some reduction as I was upgrading from my previous Samsung C9 Pro or a black color. This is the seal of the phone. It is written do not accept if seal is broken. Okay, now we will remove the seal. There is one more layer inside. We'll remove that also. Now we'll take out the inside box. So this is the phone, front part of the phone. See, this is the Aura black color. This is the front part. And this is the back side. There is the S Pen slot. So this is the top side with hybrid SIM slot, and this is the side with volume and power key. This is the bottom side with the charger slot. There is no button on this side. Now we will take out everything inside the box. This is the charger, fast charging charger, C type, and this is the earphone, and there is a small box inside. It is containing S Pen tips. Two tips are there, and this one is the charging cable. Both sides are C type. So these are the things inside the box. You can see that small box inside the box. That is the S Pen nibs. This is the SIM card remover. So it is a box containing quick start guide. This is the quick start guide, and there is regional lock guide, and there is warranty card also. And we are getting a transparent back cover to the phone along with this box only. It is coming inside the box. Now we'll take out the S Pen and see. So press on the back side of S Pen, it will come out. So this pen is also black in color, so very much matching with the phone. It has a button on that which has various functions. So these are the things coming inside the box. So these are the things. Thanks for watching.